Alright, good evening everyone. We're going to show you how to collect some wild ramps, and we're on a little adventure here with the 3 of our children. Say hi guys.
Hi.
We got our backpacks, a couple shovels, and we are going to go to the woods and collect some wild ramps, which are an onion, wild onion / garlic, and you find them in the woods in springtime around April and May. So we got a little ways to walk. We're gonna head that way, and we'll show you where we find them and how we collect them. Just don't go in over your boats, otherwise you'll regret it.
It's pod boogers. Pod boogers.
The old pond boogers.
So we use this old pod boogers.
All right, Abe, we can't look at everything. We got a ways to go. Come on, girls, let's go.
I'm on the water.
Oh, look, a frog. Couple toads mating.
How to grab them?
No, let them do their thing.
Turkey! Wild turkey! Where?
So those are a couple little frogs. Stop.
You just touch it.
There's the male's the smaller one on top of the female.
Look for more. They
And
blended.
they're breeding, and there'll be eggs and then tadpoles soon after.
They blended. So
What do you got over here, Tanya? What are you yelling at? Oh, you got turkey tracks. She spotted turkey tracks. All right, let's go, guys. Yo, let's go. Come on.
Daddy, Abe keeps saying that the girl is on top.
The male's on top. Go.
What? No, but with those, the girl's on top. No. Yeah.
I don't think you're right, Abe. Don't walk there, please. Get on center. Stay where I'm walking. If I don't sink in, you won't sink in. Go.
Well,
Get moving.
You're sinking more than me because you're heavier. And I'm light.
I know. So if I'm not sinking, you won't sink. So if you're smart, stand where I'm standing.
But what if I sink? What if you sink right here and I don't? There's shells on the top of the water. Like
Yep.
snail shells.
Keep running ahead. Go
Can
on.
you grab a snail shell? Oh man! Oh God! Don't do it there. Stay on this side.
Yeah, it's April 13th, so it's
Daddy,
quite
get
dry
that
for this
See, that's
this time of year
bubble.
for where we're at in Western New York.
Like, see, like pond.
Hey.
Pond boogers! Look at that.
Come on. Don't stand in that.
Look at Daddy, look at eggs! Eggs! Frog eggs! Oh! There must be a frog.
Oops. So that's after they lay their eggs right
Cheetah.
there.
There must be a frog guarding the eggs, like under there.
Okay, go on.
And they wait.
Go on.
They wait until its predator tries to get their eggs.
There'll be hundreds of tadpoles. Keep moving.
And then when the predator tries to get their eggs, they jump out and attack them.
Lots of deer prints here. This is a family farm here. Keep moving, guys. Don't look at everything. Come on.
They just hatched.
All right. We got some tadpoles.
Hatchers.
Whole
These
bunch of
ones
them.
over here are about to hatch. Those
Okay,
ones.
let's go.
They're like
Move.
waiting.
Run.
Like 1 week ago.
Run.
Oh man. It's like a pond.
Hasn't rained in a good week. It's not going to rain till 3 more days, so otherwise this path is usually pretty flooded. It's not too bad now.
Yeah. Oh, look how green this is! It's really green.
Very green.
Really green. The other ones we find are all brownish.
It's probably from fertilizer runoff.
Very much. Dude, you shouldn't have done that. Why? I could jump back on. I was just coming over to look at water.
Come on, guys.
On an island.
Got to beat the sunset here.
So race that sun.
Got an hour.
Oh.
Got a lot of deer out in the field. Probably hard to see. Kids will probably scare them. I don't know how to stop talking. What this thing is. Oh, it's a coon. A coon? Yep, it's a raccoon. Let's see if we can chase it up the tree. It's kind of hard to see, but it's up here on the left. Downwind of it, so it's probably having a hard time hearing me and seeing me or smelling me. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Up in the, oh, in its hole. Okay, I saw that. Must not be a rabbit. Normally the rabbit ones stand there and stare at you. It went right in the knot of that tree. It's got a hole right in that thing. You would never know it lived in that. Right in the top of that knot is a hole it went right down in. There was a raccoon in this tree. Okay, guys. Who can spot the ramps? Where are they?
See them? Right there, right there.
Oh, they're there.
There.
It's a little earlier than we normally come, so the leaves aren't quite as big, but there's a bunch there. Abe, let's go deeper in over here.
Yeah, those are big and
Yeah, Lydia, you can video here.
Don't fall behind, Tanya. What? Don't be falling behind. Come close to them. You are. Well, on video. Where are the rats? There they are. You see them? Oh yeah, there's a bunch. Yeah, a bunch of it. It's a lot. Yeah, thousands. And right now we're getting the ram stuff. There's the strip.
Alright, so these are the ramps, and it's a wild onion slash garlic, and they're very healthy. They taste really good. When I cook them, I just chop them all up and fry them in with whatever we're getting your bag ready. You do need, Abe, don't hit trees with your shovel. You do need a shovel because they're in there pretty good, especially in the woods because there's a lot of roots. And they grow just in spring when, you know, the sun can come through the canopy.
How do you open it?
Same way you open regular garbage bag.
Oh, there we
Abe, collect these.
go.
See, break them apart. Like that, see? Lydia, you paying attention? See there?
Yep.
They smell strong. See, watch when you break them apart. Let me show you. So, you take them. You can't just break them because we want the root. So you got to break them apart.
Is it like a beet?
No, they're an onion, wild garlic. I think they lean a little towards. I would say they lean a little towards the garlic.
Yeah.
We could come back in a couple weeks and get them when they're bigger. Hey, make sure you're not killing them.
They're everywhere. There's a big block right here. One there. Look at this thing. It's all around here. Ramps everywhere. Don't smash them, Abe. Look at all these. They're everywhere.
So they got little bulbs on the bottom. So I'll clean them up, cut the root off, and then chop the whole thing up. Cook them with eggs is good, or potatoes.
Help us.
Cooking them with potatoes is really good.
Okay. Got him. Hey, where's my bag?
There.
It's over here. It's right here. Oops, got that one.
So they are a little difficult to get out. They seem to all be connected often. It's nicer when you can find the big ones, but it's definitely some work harvesting them. But you can find them, they're pretty abundant in woods, and you can get quite a bit, and it's a lot of garlic, which is good for flavor and really healthy to eat. Good for your stomach, good for a lot of things. And I would assume wild ones have possibly more nutrition in them because it's from the soil that no one's putting anything on. Most people aren't spraying any pesticides in the woods. And here, I'll shovel you some up. Here, watch. There you go. You gotta break it up though. Try to get the dirt out. Get the dirt off of it first. So that, there you go. Get as much dirt off as you can. Nope. Oh, Titi. She's a skilled ramp harvester.
Can I see it, Tony?
Shake all the dirt off. Just shake it.
Shake it.
There you go. No, that's pretty good. We'll wash them at home. Well, get the clump off the middle.
These are all the
Here,
ramps
go
we have.
go like this.
Get most of them.
Separate them like that.
Can I see how much is in there? Oh, there's a lot of
They
ramps.
smell up the car like crazy too.
All the ramps. Okay.
The ramps. Abraham, you don't have to be so close, Abe. Okay, Lydia's digging up a... Stop on it. Make sure you get under the bulbs. There you go. Now lift up the whole... Lift up the whole bundle of them. You got to get under them. That should be good. Yep.
There's a few in there.
That's fine. Clean them off.
Hey, Tom, you want to clean them up? I'm going somewhere else. There's the big one.
So it's fun having a seasonal stuff you can do. It's always exciting that, you know, you got a month to go collect some onions and garlic. Seasonal harvests are always enjoyable. The spice of life. Whether it's hunting season or ramp season or fishing season, there's better times to collect things, better times to hunt things, better times to fish. And if you learn that stuff, you can take advantage of it and get a lot of bang for your buck at the right time versus hunting at the wrong time or fishing at the wrong time or harvesting at the wrong time.
Oh, I got a big bunch right here.
Got him?
Yep.
Kids whine about this kind of stuff until we come, and then they have a
I'm
blast,
not fighting anymore. Sit down there.
as you can see. Can't find any more?
Over here.
The bigger the leaves, guys, the bigger the bulb is below. So if you look for a bundle of them where there's a whole bunch together, just try to save the bulbs.
Okay. This one. That's what about over there. Tanya, get behind
They're
you.
everywhere.
Oh, that's this one.
And same thing with harvesting anything. You don't take them all. You harvest some and you don't strip a whole patch so that they'll grow up again next year. So we'll take some from each bundle around here and then leave them. It's good to harvest things, but you never take everything.
Found a good spot over here.
Abe's finding them good. Clean them off good, then we don't have to clean them as much in the kitchen. These two over here. I'm not sure how these seed themselves. Oh, good job. Get the mud off.
Get the one off, okay?
I'm not sure how they seed themselves. I always get them around this time, so I don't know if they actually go to seed and drop seeds or if they're just in the ground and they spread underground. I'm not really sure what's going on there.
They probably spread a lot because there's a lot.
There are a lot, yeah. And they're all around here. I don't know. I mean, this is, I never find them in swampy woods. This part of the woods here is not swampy, and they're here. Another area, another chunk of land that I harvested them on was also not swampy. It was high and dry, so I'm assuming they don't like swampland. All right, guys, we got our ramps.
Thanks for watching.
And we are gonna hike back before it's dark. The sun is set, so we got a half an hour. Remember, this is harvesting ramps. You can do it, as far as I know, definitely in New York. And this time of year, early spring or spring, until I think the canopy starts. Once the trees get all their leaves, I think these guys kind of disappear. So, all right, have a good night.